Drones have come a long way, evolving into perfect flying machines. But have you ever wondered why drones are designed the way they are? Why are they so efficient at moving quickly and smoothly? In this video, we'll explore the mechanics, electronics, sensors, and algorithms behind drones. We'll also look at satellite tech and modern flight control systems. Let's begin our design journey from the simplest drone and move toward the most advanced. We'll start with the simplest type, the single propeller drone. A single propeller creates enough lift to hover, but it lacks control. It can only move up or down and cannot be steered. There's also a spinning problem caused by Newton's third law. When the motor spins the rotor pushes back on the drone body, causing it to spin in the opposite direction. Next up, the two-propeller drone. This design reduces power consumption and increases flight time. The two rotors spin in opposite directions to cancel out the body's spin. However, stability and control at high speed are still major challenges. With better control algorithms, these drones could be viable one day. Three-propeller drones exist but are rarely used. They suffer from torque imbalance and gyroscopic precision issues. These issues complicate the design and control system. The most popular drone design is the quadcopter using four propellers. They are usually in an X or H-shaped configuration. To hover, all four propellers spin at equal speeds to balance the drone's weight. To move forward, front propellers slow down and rear propellers speed up. This creates a pitching motion that tilts the drone forward. When speeds are equal again, a horizontal thrust keeps the drone moving. To roll left or right, lift is adjusted between the left and right propeller pairs. Yaw movement is achieved by adjusting the torque between diagonal pairs. Normally, opposite diagonal propellers spin in opposite directions to cancel torque. To yaw, the speed of one diagonal pair is reduced, producing a net torque. This controlled imbalance allows the drone to spin on its vertical axis. Now let's look inside the drone at the flight controller. This is like a mini intelligent pilot handling complex control tasks. It allows the user to control the drone as easily as playing a video game. To perform well, the flight controller relies on various sensors. These sensors are tiny, many as small as ants, thanks to MEMS technology. Key sensors include accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers. These are combined in a single unit called the IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit. The IMU measures acceleration, rotation, and orientation. Barometer sensors are also used to calculate altitude. Sensor fusion combines inputs from different sensors to improve accuracy. Control algorithms like the Kalman Filter process this data to make smart decisions. These decisions help the flight controller adjust BLDC motor speeds and stabilize the drone. The drone's power comes from lithium-ion batteries, which power motors, sensors, and electronics. It receives user commands via radio frequencies and uses GPS to navigate. If it flies out of range, GPS and internet tech help it return safely to its home point.